Welcome back to iAutoAgent. This is Greg, and today I've got this 2014 Mercedes-Benz S63. Just a beautiful car. And I'll be going over the features with you. As you can see, I'm about 4 feet away, and there's nothing that just jumps out cosmetically. I will be showing you some of the imperfections, which are purely cosmetic. This vehicle has under 32,500 miles on it. Let's get a look at these wheels. They are in very fine condition. This is the driver's side rear. Nothing major, just a little of the finish. This is the passenger side rear. Get a look at the tread. This is a driver's side front, passenger side front. No curb rash. All 4 wheels in very, very good shape. You might notice some slight chipping. It's nothing out of the ordinary for a vehicle that's been driven 32,000 miles. A little bit of a chip right there. Another one up there. Bit of a scratch right here. Nothing major though. Some minor scratching right here on the bumper. A little bit of a chip right there. In here, a little bit of a dent, but nothing major. And then there's this, but this will buff out. Okay, let's have a look at the inside. So many features on this car. This is the memory seat package right here. Got cooled seats, heated seats. These are power adjustments for the seating position. Power locks. Power windows. The defeat right there. and retractable mirrors. The mirrors retract in under power. I mean, the mirrors are powered. And down here we have trunk release. $32,413 miles. Got the night driving assistance, 360-degree view, parking assistance on or off, lane departure on or off, and that is the heated steering wheel. External lighting, electronic parking brake, Burmester high-end audio system, which we will take a look at. Menu functions and the voice control off. This is Bluetooth, voice control, and stereo functions. Climate control. Automatic for each zone. This beautiful wood trim. And you've got sunshades right there. And that's the interior lighting adjustment. A CD player. And then the information center. Controls for the stereo. I'm going to turn this on. I want you to see what happens with that. Yes, it rotated out into the cabin. And when you turn it off, it goes right back. Chassis controls. And there is a phone. Phone integral to the car. Nice embossing of the leather. Let's get a listen to the engine and look at the sunroof. So I'm gonna start it up. Okay. One touch does it all. Just an amazing panoramic roof. More speakers. Let's get a listen to this engine. That is the sound of about 600 horsepower. This V8, twin turbo V8. Sounds perfectly healthy. Let's get outside and have a listen to it up close. in excellent condition. Sounds fully healthy. Signed by the builder. I would describe this engine as quietly confident. And as you can see, this leather is in outstanding shape. This upholstery is just gorgeous. Supple leather, just real fine grain that you would find on a high-end Mercedes. It's just beautiful stuff. Go around, get a look at the passenger side. As you can see, memory, heated seats, cooled seats, power adjustment, window control, lock controls. Again, this supple, beautiful leather. It is in very, very fine condition. And this has the executive package and the chauffeur's package. So not only do you get heated seats and cooled seats in the back of the car, but there's a reclining function, and these are the memory functions. More adjustable position for the seats. Sunshade in the rear and the sides, and then these are window controls. And this leather is just beautiful. Monitor. This is what it looks like from the rear. There's a monitor to entertain passengers. I'll show you part of the executive package. Got the chilled cup holder. "12-volt convenience outlet. Got a 115-volt AC outlet and 3-component video and 2 USB ports. And also these trays come out of the center console in case your passengers desire a meal. And they fold right back up into the center console. There's also a disc player back here. Reading lights and the sunshade. And as always, show you the power trunk. It is a power trunk lid. And here you've got two sets of executive headphones. These are made by AKG, so they are the good stuff. And also, in addition to that, so everyone can stay connected, there are 3 phones. Subwoofer. Gonna get the pass-through, and this trunk is in excellent condition. No obnoxious loading and unloading marks. And if you're ready to close the trunk, you just press this button and it closes. What a beautiful car. Just amazing. If you would like to learn more about this 2014 Mercedes-Benz S63, please visit us at iAutoAgent.com. Thank you.